All right, in 41, if we're solving this equation by completing the square, what number should be added to both sides? So completing the square, we're just trying to figure out what number needs to be added here. And the formula we use for that is b divided by 2 squared. So in this problem, b is equal to -8. -8 divided by 2 squared would be -4 squared, which is 16. So this is the number that would complete the square, so it would be D. So now let's look at 42. So in 42 we have two consecutive positive integers have the property that one integer times twice the other equals 612. So let's say one of our integers is x. If there are two consecutive positive integers, the other one, if it's consecutive and it's positive, it would be one more than x. So if they have that property that one of them times twice the other equals 612, so we could say x times twice this one should be equal to 612. That gives us x times, this would be 2x plus 2 equals 612, or 2x squared plus 2x equals 612. So if we were to try to solve this equation, we could divide it by 2 first, make it a little bit simpler. So minus 306 equals 0. So assuming these are integers, this should be factorable. So negative 306 and 1, we can use 18 times negative 17, which would give us a factorization of x plus 18 times x minus 17 equals 0. Because the problem states that the integers are positive, we know that x equals 17, not x equals negative 18, but would be one of the integers. If x is 17, the next integer, consecutive integer, would be x plus 1, or 18. So these two integers, we're asked what is the sum of these two integers. So 17 plus 18 would give us 35, which would be answer B. All right, now let's look at number 43. What are the solutions to the equation? Let's go ahead and add 8 first to the left side of the equation. This equation is not factorable, but we could use quadratic formula here. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac and then over 2a. So 6 plus or minus 36 minus 52 and then divided by 2. Six plus or minus the square root of, this would be negative 16 and then over 2. This would give us 4i, and then if we divide both of these by 2, that gives us 3 plus or minus 2i, so that would be answer D.